To motion track an object in DaVinci Resolve, open the Fusion tab and make sure Mediane 1 is selected. Press Ctrl and space to open the search window, type Planar Tracker, and click Add. In the inspector window on the top right, change the tracker type to hybrid point and the motion type to translation. Move the playhead to where you want tracking to start, then next to reference time, click Set. Draw a rectangle around the object you want to track, then press the Track to End button. Once tracking finishes, change the operation mode to Stabilize. Open the Edit section, and you will see black empty space around the video. To remove it, adjust the position and zoom level so the tracked object is centered.